Go for a third charm here with the original timber. Left and right in the ailerons, left and right in the rudder, up and down the elevator. It looks a lot better. We are arming it. I think I will not use flaps for this one. We have our long grass here, but this should pop up anyway. 2 minutes. Still flying a little high, but not bad. Huh? Oh, it could be just tail heavy that way, yeah. I mean, I'm pushing forward on the elevator pretty significantly. Right. Yeah. Eight minutes? Oh, that's 8 minutes elapsed. I keep a flight timer and a power timer. Oh, okay. Like with Cessna, I'm doing a lot of gliding. Same with 1 minute. So that 1 minute says we get 1 minute of powered flight to our 5-minute timer. So we were on the ground for a little bit with no power, but that kind of thing. Yeah, I wonder if the batteries just got to go back, forward a little bit.
I had it all the way, but maybe it slipped.
Oh, that could be too.
That's what I'm thinking.
Ah.
Silly script.
Yeah, it's doing okay. I mean, that's no input.
Wow.
At about 50, maybe 50, not even 50% throttle. And I wasn't touching the sticks.
20 seconds. 9 minutes.
That's full throttle.
10, 9.
Believe it or not, that's about 50% down elevator. Oh, whoop. I pop a spring?
I don't know.
Wow. Yeah, that was like right there on the elevator. You see where the elevator is now?
Yep.
That was like there when I was trying to come down, when I was coming in for landing.